Ever wonder what it's like to attend a clothing brand pop-up instead of hosting one? Well, I pulled up to Zella Cartel's event, one of Lagos' boldest streetwear brands. He came to Abuja, and since I reside in Abuja, I decided to pull through to see the vibe for myself. From exploring their latest drop to chatting with the founder, here is what it's like to be on the other side.
To speak them my matter, just short to keep bad bitch pull up, bust it for me, tell my jeweler, bust it for me, tell my jeweler, bust it for me. At the club, like bring my bottles for me. Blind the hater with them diamonds on me. If you want collect, we get time. Look, try to pull up, bang like back on. Get it, vex on, no, the text on. Play with the burn, my bro, your song so trash now. Why we next time? We don't get to G4, yeah, one way fuck up, we turn around. I go one reason is fine, pay for my school. I know no switch, they sell on. I go one drop one check from mama, yeah, when the bank, no be clear.
In today's video, I made the shift from hosting to attending to experience a pop-up from the other side. I stepped into the world of Zella Cartel, a streetwear brand that has been dropping bold handmade pieces since 2016, based right here in Nigeria. From checking out their latest drop, think jerseys, PSG-inspired jerseys, polos, tank tops, to getting real with the brand owner, Alexander Okuwole. This isn't your usual pop-up diary. Let's jump in and see what it's like to be on the receiving end of the vibe. Alright. A little bit of history. Zella Cartel was established in 2016, and the brand has been able to build a reputation for handmade streetwear pieces, emphasizing quality and originality. This is a Lagos-based brand, and they operate with a global mindset, offering worldwide shipping and even accepting crypto payments. Their product line includes stylish essentials like Zella Niger jerseys, Zella NFL jerseys, Target pants, tank tops, and mystery drop pants with prices around 25k to 40k. Design and consistency are clearly important to them. In a candid segment on Free Kick Fridays, the brand's creative force, Alexander, discussed the challenges of maintaining production standard in Lagos, also highlighted how Zella Cartel continues pushing boundaries with bold designs. Who am I here with?
Yo, Zella Cartel, baby.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How many times have you done a pop-up in Abuja so far?
3 times.
3 times?
Yeah.
And how would you say the performance have been?
I love Abuja. Don't worry, I love Abuja so much.
Hope you are not saying it because they'll see it.
I love Abuja so much.
Oh, okay.
I've got a huge community here, so it's really nice here.
And what would you say is the most challenging thing organizing a pop-up in Abuja?
I feel like gathering people here at the right time, like on time. They don't like coming out in the afternoon here, so that's one problem.
And so far, like the journey of your brand so far, when you were starting off, did you ever imagine that you'll be going even outside the country and even like outside where you are from?
Never.
You are from Lagos, right?
Yes.
Born and brought up in Lagos.
Yeah.
So
it's just God, to be honest. Just God. It's God, to be honest.
And if you were like, would you choose to do anything else other than your brand?
It's all I know. It's all I know how to do.
Set up in a new level, your looks can kill it, I think about you in the moonlight, baby, you're not unforgettable. Now reminisce like all the time about your pretty face, goddamn you fine. And so when I have a taste, wanna sit and dine. And I wait in line, already seeing the signs. Let's go, it's the end of the week. Friday, yeah, I wanna dance so good. Just us, no friends, I don't really say nobody else but you and me. Sometimes I ask myself, I wanna know if this gon' last. It's so good to be true. It happens so fast, out of the blue. I'm from 0 to 22. Got me feeling like I'm all set up in a new level. Your looks could kill it, I think about you in the moonlight. Maybe you're not unforgettable. Now reminisce like all the time. About your pretty face, goddamn you fine. Someone that have a taste.
Alright, so we've seen the energy, the designs, and the people that came out to show love for Zella Cartel. But before we wrap things up, I had to have a conversation with the man behind the brand to hear his story straight from him. Trust me, you're going to want to hear this. And hey, if you're enjoying the vibe so far, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future pop-up adventures. I had a brief conversation with Tovia, who helped put this whole pop-up together.
So who am I here with?
Sylvia,
How was the whole thing for you?
it was nice.
Did it meet your expectation?
Huh?
Did it meet your expectation or it went better?
It did. It did meet my expectations. But I want you guys to do better next time.
What was one thing you didn't like about the whole thing?
My power bank was stolen.
Oh, next time be more careful.
Please come with your belongings. Don't take others' belongings. It's not good, that's theft. And it's punishable by the law. And you still go to hellfire.
You actually look nice, by the way.
Thank you.
Now let's get into the conversation with the creative mind behind Zella Cartel.
Would you say it met your expectation, or what would you say about the whole thing?
It was nice. It's nice to have community and people that fuck with you. So like, I'm happy, genuinely.
What inspired the collection or the design you chose to showcase today?
So this particular collection, there's no like story behind it. I've been making stuff like since February or like January actually, but I didn't drop them. So I compiled everything I made in pieces and I dropped it.
How did people react to it in person?
They fuck with it.
Yeah, as it should be, as it should be. What was one lesson you learned today that you applied to your next drop, your next pop-up, sorry?
One lesson I learned, but it only applies to Abuja. I don't know if it applies to Lagos. Abuja people don't come early for nothing. So whatever time you put, don't stress yourself, you'll come late.
All right, man. Thank you. I'm so happy for the turnout, man. Congratulations.